Thank you for your interest in Valley Auto World, 3810 through 3822 Sycamore Dairy Road, Fayetteville, North Carolina, 28303.
Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. This vehicle has a solid and powerful engine. Experience greater control of your vehicle with this manual transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. The features included on this vehicle add quality, value, comfort, and dependability to an already enjoyable ride. Safety is often a big concern, and if it's important to you, know this car is equipped with the right safety equipment. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
For an opportunity to experience the Valley Auto World culture or take a tour of our state-of-the-art facility, please contact our facility concierge at 866-703-1694.